Hey my fluffy buns, so today I'm going to be changing my keycaps and my switches. Today I'll be using the purple bunny keycaps right here, and I will also be using the Wisteria switches by Epomaker. This is the linear Wisteria switches, and I'm going to change those. So over here, I'm doing one row at a time. I am taking out the keycaps first and then the switches. So the keyboard is hot swabble. You can change the switches and the keycaps, mainly the switches and the keycaps, but the thing is, every time I do that, like try and take them out, it literally started flying everywhere, like the switches and the keycaps for some reason. For real though, literally I was scared I might break one of the switches. I'm not worried about the keycaps, I'm worried about the switches. Every time I take them out, I worry it might break, but luckily it didn't. And like I was trying to fix everything and trying to put everything back together, and yeah, and then like after that, I think like every 6 months I had to lube them so it might sound a lot better. So we'll see that in 6 months after like I lube them. And I mean, lubing the switches might take a while because it is very time consuming, and yeah, so after the 6 months, I think you're supposed to lube them like every year or so. So I did look at tutorials how to do the lube thing. We'll see that in 6 months. Also, I was trying to figure out how to like put the keycaps in, but like it was too big, so I figured that out later on. And I realized I forgot that one of the keys was supposed to be FN, not Win, that kind of keycap. But yeah, you get the idea. But also, you might hear like a sound test after this, so yeah. I just realized the switches matches the keycaps that I have. The purple switches and the purple keycaps literally matches my mouse pad and everything. But yeah, I'm trying to fit the aesthetic I have. So the purple bunny, purple keycaps aesthetic and everything. But yeah. So I realized they kind of sound the same or kind of similar. You guys tell me that in the comments down below if they are the same or similar, different, if they sound the same or whatnot. I don't know. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And I will see you next time, my fluffy buns.